Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I thought I would do a video for a Throwback Thursday. This is a project, a graphic 45 project I made several years ago out of Rare Oddity. And I just love this project. I pull it out for every Halloween. But I thought I would share it with you so that kind of give you a heads up that I'm thinking about using this as a remake. I don't think I did a video tutorial on this actual project, and I am thinking of doing a Christmas one using Country Craft Creations Christmas Dreams, which is a beautiful, beautiful paper collection. Let me grab that and I'll show you that real quick. Here is the 12 by 12 Christmas Dreams and exclusive paper collection by Country Craft Creations. I received this in a design team package and I haven't had time yet to create with it, but I'm thinking it's going to be perfect for this book box that I can show you how to make, and maybe the album. It will hold, this book box will hold a 7 by 9 album, and this is really unique. I will show you how the box works in just a minute. So I'm going to use this paper collection. I have one whole collection. I may order an extra just to have enough on hand if I want to do the album and the box. And also, when I got the design team package, I shared it earlier, but I'm going to go ahead. I would definitely probably use these beautiful Prima flowers that go with this, the colors of this collection. I'm not going to show you each individual page. If you want to check that out, I have another video where I shared all of this. But anyway, these are beautiful on it. And then these beautiful Prima gold glittery leaves, and then the seam binding I have in the light blue and the beige. I might switch the ribbons and pull out a pink or red. I love the red in there. And then I have a set of these bookmarks clips that are custom made for this collection. So the images in each paper clip or bookmark clip are images from this collection. So that's really cool. So let me show you the Throwback Thursday project that I think I will be remaking. Now I have a lot of projects lined up that I need to do for different events. I'm finishing up my 13 Frights Before Halloween. Then I have a project to create and record for the New Year's Eve virtual retreat for Country Craft Creations. Then I also have a November hop that we're going to be doing with the Remember the Time Country Craft Creations paper collection. So I have a lot going on and I've put everything in order. So I'm thinking this one would be towards the end of November that I would start on this one. And so if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell, because when you click on that bell, it will send you notifications every time I upload a video. That way you won't miss out on anything. So let's take a look at this one real quick. Of course, it has all the fun stuff that I added, the images, some metal charms like the bird cage with a bird and the bee, hat pin, some rhinestones, some raven feathers here that just go perfectly with this, some metal corners. Of course, the one for Christmas will be decorated differently, but it will be made this way. So it is a book box. It is made on the side, I don't know if you can see it, there you go, where I created it so that it looks like book pages here. And then it has a open, right here, open spine, or side on this box. And so it has a curve. So when it sits on a shelf, it looks like a book, okay? And the back is just, you know, where it's wrapped around it. And then on it, when you open the book box, like this, well, your album is inside there, but you can't get it out easily, right? So I made this book box so it has a split here and here, and I used a Tim Holtz knob and some black elastic hair bands that doubled them up. And so you just undo those, and this drops down, and then you can lift your album out. So here's the album that I made for this. Like I said, it is a 7 by 9. And I do have a detailed video of this. I'm not going to go through all the details on this that you can see. It has lots of fun elements, of course, that you can do with fussy cutting and graphic 45. Just lots of flaps and things. So if I remake this, it will be similar, but not with all the little details that this might have. We have tagged pockets, and so it's just lots of detail in here that you can put into a Christmas album, but it will look completely different once we get it all made. So you see that. So I will put the link to the actual original video on this project so that you can take a look at it. And then join me back at hopefully sometime in November, probably closer towards Thanksgiving, where I'll be maybe getting caught up, and I will start on a Christmas album and book box, especially the book box. I want to make sure I get that done. Does this lift up? I can't remember. No, it does not. It's just for looks. And this one comes out like that. We have a lot of little flips and flaps here. So yeah, check out the video. Oh, it opens this way, I remember now. It's been a few years. So this just closes around the chipboard piece like this. Have it loose. And then it closes up. So lots of fun areas in this album. It would be a lot of fun to remake. So again, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and just click on it again and double check to make sure you have clicked the bell to make sure you are getting notifications. So that's my Throwback Thursday project for today. I haven't done those very often, but I had this out for display for Halloween. I thought, that would be pretty for Christmas, so maybe I should share this one again. So thanks so much for popping in, and I'll get busy creating and hopefully get caught up soon and have some more videos for you. Thanks. Bye-bye.